Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to check how much time you spent on YouTube. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner and tap on time watched. Here you will see how much time you have spent each day of the last week, how much time you have spent today, as well as last 7 days in total. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see some tools. If you enable the Remind Me to Take a Break option, you'll be able to set up a frequency, and YouTube app will remind you to take a break. And if you enable Remind Me When It's Bedtime option, you'll be able to set up your bedtime. You'll be able to set up a start time as well as an end time. And YouTube will be disabled for that time. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.